guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Haley and it is the day before 4th of July. So we usually drive down to the beach to watch the fireworks on the 4th, like a lot of people do. But this year they are having it the day before 4th of July, which is nice because we can sit home and watch like the Macy's fireworks and stuff, you know, tomorrow or whatever. So we don't have to do like be at two places at once. But yeah, it is currently, I don't have my watch on. It is 5:09 right now and we need to be there or start leaving at 6. But yeah, I was going to wear something cuter, but the mosquitoes, one, are horrible. The city where the beach is has not started spraying for mosquitoes. They only did it once and that was a month ago. So they are running quite rampant. But yeah, also if you are new, I do have a TikTok. I will put it right here on the screen. I recently started that, but I also do shorts, so a lot of the content is the same, so if you don't have TikTok, don't worry. But yeah, I post stuff more in real time over there because it's just easier. But yeah, make sure you go and follow me over there to see more in real time content. But okay, you guys, so did it just start the second I started vlogging?
Yeah.
Is that actually it?
I don't know.
Look. Is that actually it? Nope. That in fact was, okay, now I'm zoomed in. Yeah, that was not it, thankfully. But it is 8:54. They are supposed to start in like 6 minutes. But yeah, we have been down here for like now 2 hours. And it is so hot. It was so hot.
And we have to evacuate the beach by 10 o'clock.
Yeah, so the fireworks aren't probably going to end until like 9:20. And we're parked on a weird part of the beach where there's cars behind us because we kind of pulled up in the grass. But
which we are allowed to. We asked the cop.
yeah.
But
it's going to take us forever to get out of here.
We're supporting the cause. And so I had to buy Joyride to support the cause. And congratulate you coming. We're going to get to the fireworks now.
Big one.
They're competing.
You think? Wow, that was huge! This is probably the end. Oh my god, look at it raining down. Wow. What? I know, isn't it cute? Alright, pick away. Let's go this way. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, Are you sure? Because there's 2 layers.
2, 4, 6, 8,
No, there's 3.
8, 10, 12,
14, 15, 16. Okay, so yeah, you had 17. What are they?
Look,
They explode?
it's called Fountain Dew.
Yeah, that's what it's called. That one was called a fountain. I kind of...
What's this?
This is $27, which means that thing's gonna be huge. What are the mini snow cones? $15 for the mini snow cones? Oh wait, there's individual ones.
Yeah.
Get a strawberry. How much are they? Alright, we need to find...
Look at all the big ones.
I don't know. We need to find sparklers. And... Yeah, I want sparklers. Lexi wants... do you want bottle rockets? Or I think we have bottle rockets. I'm pretty sure we have bottle rockets.
I think you got a whole bunch.
I just want some sparklers.
And the barcode shows you.
Okay guys, so as you can see, Lexi is currently swimming and I am just kind of like sitting in here. It is so flipping cold. It's not even funny. Earlier it was like bath water. Now it is so cold.
Yeah,
I have goosebumps. I have goosebumps. But we were working all day, so like we just never got a chance. But
We'll get it here tomorrow, like 1 o'clock.
yeah, so we're probably about to get out. Maybe take a shower and then do some fireworks, even though we'll smell like smoke again, but we'll take like a body shower or something. And then we'll take like another shower tomorrow.
We'll see.
Because I want to do fireworks. And then we also might go see another fireworks show tonight. I don't really know. Bye guys! It's so cold. I have goosebumps.
Okay, watch.
Well, where'd the parachute go?
I don't know. I didn't even see it go up.
That didn't do nothing.
Go see if there's a parachute over there, mate.
I don't want you to go too close.
Alright guys, I am about to light this one. We just lit this one and it exploded and it didn't do anything, so we are going to try again. Hopefully it will work.
Haley, I don't know why you're going out there. You ain't got no lighter.
Oh yeah! Ah! It's got a short fuse.
It went up, but
There it is! It's over here! Oh, it's so cute! Is it hot?
Where's mine?
Where did yours go? See if we can find yours. Okay guys, so we had so much fun. Ugh, the bags under my eyes go crazy. You could have gone up a little bit actually. We had so much fun earlier that we came back to the fireworks store. But yeah. Look at this huge American flag. Look at that. Crazy. Hey guys,
Light, so I can see.
we made it back to the beach and we are about to light some up.
Okay.
Okay, set it. Is this too close? So many.
You're doing
Lexi, no, we all need to back up.
You gotta shine a light on her. She can't see the wick.
Okay, we're all gonna have to start. Grandma, you need to back up. Go, right. Oh, it's pretty. If it starts shooting stuff out, we gonna get burnt. Oh, that one was pretty. Oh. Oh, cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's going rogue. It's going rogue. Back up. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. It went all the way over there. Oh, my God.
Okay, let's see what else we got.
Oh, my God. Guys, these fireworks are going crazy.
Yeah, I need light.
Okay, I'm coming. God, run! Bro, we ran for that. We ran for that.
It's getting bigger.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Let me see that one in your hand.
You better get ready to run, because they're acting weird tonight.
Look at
Ready? Set. Oh, God, run! Woo! Oh, God! Oh, God! Woo! Oh, I think the police are coming. Ready to run? Run!